I'm going to be using sweet potato, so you quickly wash your potato and also peel the back. After peeling the back, you cut it into smaller pieces, smaller size. You can even cut it more than my own, small sizes. Then you wash and you also parboil it for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So you get in your potato. Make sure you cut your sweet potato into smaller sizes. So you add it inside your pot. Then you're going to be cooking it. Then you are going to be cooking it. Then while it is cooking, you make sure that you check it. So now these are all the ingredients we are going to be using in spicing up our potato frittata or potato pizza. So here we have our hot dog, which is also known as sausage. We also have our vegetables, which is our carrots, our green pepper, green beans. We also have our yellow bell pepper. We also have our red bell pepper, and we also have eggs. So these are all the ingredients we are going to be using in spicing up our potato pizza. So now while it is boiling, you don't allow it to get over soft. So I'm going to be sieving it out. After you have sieved out, then you keep it aside. Then you bring out your egg. We are going to be cracking our eggs. So you are going to be cracking it one after the other, so that to avoid the miss or the bad eggs. So we're going to be adding them one by one. So this is what I'm doing. Then after you are done adding in your eggs, we're going to be whisking our eggs properly till it is well mixed. So why I'm doing this method is for me to able to separate the bad egg from the good ones. So this is why I'm doing it one by one. So you whisk well. Then when you are done whisking your eggs, you whisk very, very well. So it's time to fry. Then you get in your fry pan. You're going to be adding a little amount of oil. Then you make sure that the oil gets to all sides of the fry pan. Then you are going to be frying our hot dog, our sausage. Then you add in your sausage so that it can have this, so it will get fried and also tastes good. So while it is frying, make sure that both sides fry very well. Make sure it is heated very well. Then after frying your hot dogs, your sausage, you're going to be bringing them out. So guys, if it's your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome to Blessing Series. Here I give out recipes. I also give out food mukbang and amazing lifestyle content. So make sure you click the subscribe button and join this beautiful family of mine. So now the sausage is ready. I'm going to be cutting it into sizes, different parts based on the size you want. So I'm going to be cutting it so that we can have more sprinkle of hot dogs in our pizza. So where you are cutting it, you can cut as much as you can. You can also add some protein to it. If you want to add in beef, if you want to add in chicken, you can add it up for you to have more spice to your pizza, your potato pizza. So while I am done cutting my own, I'm going to be going ahead in frying my sweet potato. So I'm going to be heating up my pan. Then I'm going to be adding in my cooked sweet potato. So now it is getting fried. So I'm going to allow it to fry a little bit for about 5 minutes. You make sure that it is well stocked already in the fire. It is well heated. Then I'm going to go in with our eggs, the egg that we mix. We're going to pour your egg around. Make sure that it gets to all parts of the potato. So we're going to be going in with our veggies, which is our bell peppers, our carrots, green beans, green pepper, bell pepper. You can also add in veggies based on how you want it to taste. You can add in more than half. You can add more. You understand? You can add more veggies the way you want it. And don't also forget to add in your cheese, because this is another thing that will help it to stick and taste nice. We're going to be adding our cheese. Add in your vegetable, the more vegetable, just the way you want it to be. You add in your veggies. You also add in your spice. Don't forget to add in some little spice on it. So make sure you also add in your hot dogs, which is what I'm doing now. you sprinkle the hot dogs, your sausage. If you want to add in beef, you want to add in your chicken, your shredded beef, you can also add it, you sprinkle it on top. Then you make sure that it is well mixed down. Then add in your cheese. This is what I'm doing now. I'm adding my cheese. So you can add in more cheese. You can add in based on how you want. You can add in more cheese. This is a home consumption potato frittata or potato pizza, but for me I call it pizza because it tasted so well. And you need to try this recipe, guys. So I added in my pepper mix. I also added I sprinkled in some seasoning so as to give it more taste, and I make sure that everywhere gathered well. Like I make sure that it is all packed well and it is getting fried the way I want it. So I'm going to be turning it into the other side so that both sides will be heated well. Understand? Both sides we also have that heat. So I turn it the other side, and which I know you saw the way I did it. So I've turned it the other way. Then I also allow it to heat up. Then about 5 minutes. Then you also flip it back into your plate. And this is it, our potato pizza. You can call it potato pizza. You can also call it potato frittata. Any name you want to give it, but for me I am calling it potato pizza because it came out so yummy. And the main base of this potato pizza is potato and my eggs. So you see the magic potato can also do. There is no flour down. What we have here is potato and your eggs and veggies, and it came out so well. You can serve this for breakfast, you can serve it as an appetizer, you can also serve it as a snack, and it's all so healthy for the woman body. And this is it. So I garnished my own with some ketchup, sprinkled of some ketchup on top of it. And now we're going to be cutting it into sizes because we are much in my house. So I'm going to be cutting it so that it will get to everyone, and everyone will also have a bite of it. And trust me, you need to try this recipe. And if you be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. And thank you all for watching once again, and bye for now.